I know I need a shave. I ain't got time. It's gonna rain. You seen the last video where I did a rain dance. This is the house where I usually always do the rain dance. It's ironic that it's gonna rain on me while I'm here. So this is nothing but clover and dried up Mongolian tree stuff, and I got a new toy to do point of views. Buddy of mine, Billy, let me borrow this. You put this around your neck and put the phone right here. So this is gonna be a test video. I'm gonna try this out with a zeroturn. Here we go. Oh, hey, got a new shirt. How you like that? So yes, I did back into that tree with the ROPS bar. I wanted to see if I could knock it over, and I did. But over here is my little spin through this little crater that's formed in the back of the yard. Don't know why it's there. Yeah, trying out this new camera angle. Not sure if I like it. I kind of think I'm going to put something on my head or something, because this is getting not quite the angle that I want, but you're kind of getting more better perspective. I have two hands on the sticks instead of one, but you can see that's how I do the one-handed thing. Got good at it actually, but yeah, there's some crazy shit in the yard. So yeah, gotta get this done before it rains, and the dry heat, you can see what it's done to these trees and just dropped all the leaves. And trying to keep it off the street. There's guys working across the street over there. Don't want to get them with the crap. And plus, I don't like blowing it in the street anyway. It's not safe, especially for motorcycles and things like that. But yeah, I'm dodging under pine trees and all kinds of crap and bumps and broken branches. Yeah, right here you can see I drop it down lower. Just wasn't quite looking like I was doing anything. So, even though it was, but some parts of the yard didn't look like I was cutting it, I wasn't happy. So, besides, I kind of almost wanted to burn the grass, kind of cut it, because I knew we were going to get more rain and more rain. So, it's one of these, like, yards that, it's just a long yard. It doesn't really have any purpose. But, I maintain it. I do a lot of work here, and it's an older fellow that, friend of the family, so I know them kinda, and I take care of it, make it look beautiful. But yeah, doing these kind of yards, you kind of learn them. What's the fastest way to do a yard? And obviously the longest distance is the fastest. I don't know what the hell is in that damn pot. He puts something out there all the time, and it smells like horse shit, throw up. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I'm trying not to get all the damn leaves all over my truck. Just washed it, and I gotta get a different angle. But yeah, I might show this whole thing, I don't know. But it does rain on me. It's actually, I think it's raining now. And it's just, yeah, we got hit with it. We're finally getting it, but we need it. So I am not complaining this time. Not complaining. So anyway, And yeah, you gotta respect the man who wears jorts. I got these as a gift, and I kind of like them. Think I'm gonna bring back the jorts. See that right there? That was skill. That's how you move sticks out of the way. Turn the blades off, grab it with the deck, move it to the side, back the machine up, and it falls out. So right about here, I come up to this branch and I back into it, and it jabs me in the back of the head like a spear. You can see right here. That's what hit me. Fun times, huh? Yeah, so this is real time. Up in this area, the roots from the trees stick out, and you really got to be careful because if you hit them, it'll grab your blades. Bumps everywhere, and ain't one flat spot in this yard. And this front yard, it's barely growing, but I gotta drop the deck down even lower to try to get them clovers, so it looks like I cut it. And the front doesn't really grow much, but you gotta cut it to make it look clean. When you get done, the place looks nice. But, you know. And I've noticed that the lower I'm cutting it, the grass likes to be even lower and lower, so it's almost like training the yard not to grow. Well, I could cut it higher, but then again, I could screw myself because this is an every 2-week job, sometimes every 3 weeks, because the grass doesn't really grow here evenly. The only spot it really grows is all the way in the back, so, you know, and he's okay with me not coming for a whole month, really, but, you know, it's just one of those yards, I just take care of it. But, trying to get it done. So what I have to do here is I have to move the trailer over so I can cut the grass where the trailer's parked on it, because there's no really place for me to park this trailer. I can't put it out on the road. There's just no way. And I've been doing this for years, and he's okay with it. He's the one who actually suggested it I do it this way, so it's okay. The ground's hard here. It ain't moving. You can drive a tractor trailer on this yard. But so there's that angle. I think I gotta do some adjusting to it. I'm not sure if I like it. Let me know what you think. I don't know if I'm gonna leave this video up for long because I don't know how good this is, but it's the first attempt at using the angle. So yeah, here's the job I went to afterwards. It stopped raining for a little bit, so I was able to go hit this yard, and this is a shit yard. It used to be nice, but things have changed around here. You get the grandson always promising to do stuff, taking advantage of the grandparents for money. That shit gets old. I'm about ready to stop cutting this grass because of it, because there's just crap all over the yard they won't pick up. You know, the grandson's supposed to get it, or the son. I mean, I'm not going to say it. They might watch, but you know what I'm talking about. It's just crazy how people can't do something. They only do it for money, and that's it. And, you know, I'm being as nice as I can doing things around here, but I'm busy now. I don't have time to, you know, I can't get involved in their issues. But I'm taking care of this the best I can, and they won't go every week. This yard really needs it every week, but I've been cutting them since I started cutting grass, so he's one of my oldest customers. So, long story short, there's only one still around. The other one's not here no more, and it's a sad thing. But anyway. But yeah, all this construction going on, and I just think these people take advantage of old people all the time. It's frustrating. Shoddy construction everywhere. I used to do home improvement stuff, and I would never hire these people. And the crap they left all over the place. Not going to say who they are, but their name matches the county that I'm from. If you know who I am, they're new to the area. They do crappy work. They even cut grass too, which is weird. I don't know. They think they're going to do it all. They should tie my shoe while they're at it. But anyway, so I'm just trying this new view out. And like I said, I think you guys like my jorts because they're cool. Working on the mullet. I'm bringing it all back. I'm going to be bringing sexy back. So anyway, I'm going to fast forward through. Yes, really. I'm going to fast forward through this really quick and just end this video. So thanks a lot.
Okay, bye.
All right, goodbye.